你好, welcome to 1 Minute Chinese. 1 minute a day makes your Chinese great. In this lesson, we will talk about the introduction to Chinese pronunciation, the initial 呵. What's the initial sound? It's the consonant. There are 23 Chinese consonants in the Hanyu Pinyin system. Make sure you watch our previous videos so you will have a better understanding of the Chinese syllable. When you see the English letter H in Pinyin, the pronunciation is 呵. It's like the H in the English word hello, but push more and stronger air out from your throat and the very back of your tongue to give it more friction when you say it. Say 喝. 喝 sounds rough, like the J in the Spanish word Jesus. Be sure to use the muscle at the very back of your tongue and your throat to pronounce 喝. Remember, it's always good to exaggerate the pronunciation for beginners. Say 喝. Now, mimic the mouth shape in the video carefully and repeat after it. 喝, 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 喝. Pronunciation exercise for 呵 sound. Let's combine the initial 呵, the final and the high-pitched first tone all together. 呵, 呵. Repeat after me. 呵, 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 呵. 喝 is to drink in Chinese. Attention! Although the spelling of he is the same as he in the English word, the pronunciation is 喝. Pronunciation exercise for 喝 sound. Let's combine the initial 喝, the final 哇, and the high-pitched first tone all together. 喝, 哇, 花. Repeat after me. 喝, 哇, 花, 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 花. 花 is flower in Chinese. Quiz time. Question. When you see the English letter H in Pinyin, how would you pronounce it? The answer is 喝. Are there any topics that you're interested in learning Chinese? Feel free to comment below. We're here to help. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to get notified whenever we post a new video. 1 minute Chinese a day makes your Chinese great. Have a blessed day.